Hello everybody. I wanted to share with you the ZZ plant which I got last year. I got these ones in the back, and then I saw something on special which came in a small pot, a whole bunch of small ones, and I planted it in the same pot. And the ones in the back have given me two new ones. This one, which is amazing, it starts like this one. It looks like a little tube. It looks almost like nothing. That's how it looks like. And then it starts opening. And it's so pretty. Okay, I hope you can see it better now. So, yeah, that's how it looks. Like almost nothing. And then it starts opening. And it's amazing how it opens, and it just looks very, very pretty. It's not fully open like these ones, but that's how they begin to open, which it's exciting to see how they open their leaves, which is very pretty. And that's the update on my ZZ plant, which I got last year, and then a few months later I got this whole bunch of small ones on sale for $5, and these plants are usually more expensive. Yes, my friends, so that's what I wanted to share with you, how pretty it starts opening, and it's not fully open. It just looks like a little corn. A small corn. If you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Everyone, I know what's going around. It's not really something to take easy. Just be safe and use a lot of soap to wash your hands if possible every time, as often as you can, and be safe, everybody. Let's pray this is over very quick. Thank you all for watching, and hope to see you again in the next video. Bye.